So I'm first of all, Amitabh ji, I'm really pleased to congratulate you.
Thank you very much,
Okay,
and
on
thanks for your
your
presence
on
here.
the Vajra Pro and the Vajra Lite both.
Thank,
Okay,
thank
so
you very
really
much.
it's good to see it.
Thank you.
So from Philips perspective and Haas perspective, and I think our industry perspective,
Yeah,
I think the software and system, hardware software that you really put in,
yeah,
it really sets a new standard as far as machine monitoring, production monitoring is concerned, and really takes us, the leap into Industry 4.0. It makes it real.
yeah,
So from our perspective, as a machine tool, I would say builder, distributor,
yeah,
solution provider, what we see is customers struggle to monitor and their machines. There's a lot of idle time, machine downtime,
yeah,
like machine, I would say like non-utilization time. The
yeah.
machine is just lying idle. So
Exactly.
this really will help them to monitor, improve their productivity.
Yeah,
I can see some of our key customers,
yeah,
on your screen who are using your system.
yeah.
We are proud to be associated with you as well,
Same here.
and
Same here.
we look forward to a long, deep collaboration. Yeah.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
very
Thank
much.
you.
We are
Thank you.
looking forward for the same,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
we are very proud that we are associated with Philips, and looking forward for more such collaboration. And thank you very much for your presence today and inaugurating our stall. And yes, definitely, like you said, we are trying to make sure that each and every machine is able to give the data to the its management, and management is able to not only utilize but also make profit, also improve quality, also improve entire plant efficiency and everything. We our target is to increase our target is to connect 20,000 machines in next 5 years and improve their efficiency by 25%. This is our personal target. I mean, this is our target we have kept for
And I
ourselves.
think the good thing which I could see in your system, right, as most other systems, what they do is, yes, they are giving, it's a management tool, so they are giving information to the management, but it's not putting the power in the hands of the operator. Here, the operator can really see what he's doing. He can monitor
Exactly.
it. He can make changes. So he gets real time information about whether he's on the right track or the wrong track. And I think like in a country like India, where we are really trying to develop a skilled workforce,
Yeah.
and we are trying to upgrade the workforce. We don't want people to just press the start button and the stop button, right? So I think this is really a good step in that direction. So it will really, it's taking the operators to being engineers, right? Which is what they want to be. Everyone wants to go up.
Yeah.
I think your software is giving them that chance. Yeah,
That's very
yeah,
nice
yeah,
to that's a
yeah.
very nice
Yeah,
way
really.
to
I mean,
say
I
this.
could see that it's not
Yeah.
not. I mean, the fact that the operator can see what he's doing,
Exactly.
and he can correct it. Otherwise, it's much better than getting a report at the end of the day saying
Yeah.
that okay, you didn't do a good job. It's much better he can see
Yeah.
where he's going wrong. He can correct, and if there's an issue on the machine, we can act quickly.
Yeah. And
Thank
also,
you.
just in the same
Yeah,
lines, like you just said, operator, all the screens, if you note,
yeah.
they are designed more with contemporary design, more
Yes.
mobile type design, more youthful design. Just
Yeah.
because their operator should not, you know, in the during their off time they use mobile with the new design and come to office
Yeah.
and then use old design. So we are trying to
Yeah.
avoid that. Have more modern designs on the machine itself. So
It
that
looks
is
nice. It looks nice.
nice.
Thank you. Thanks a
Well,
lot.
thank you very
Take
much.
care.
Thank you,
Bye. Bye.
Terence.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Thanks. Thanks a lot.